Hi guys, hello everyone! During our today's tutorial, I will show you my new watercolor brush set that I created for Procreate. And we're gonna paint all together watercolor fruits. So let's go! And I'm gonna use my new brush set that I created, the fourth one, and all the brushes, like most of the brushes that I created also. As a texture paper, I'm gonna use Arches texture paper, this one. And I already created a sketch, this one. So I will lower the opacity of our sketch, and I need to be on a layer that is underneath our texture paper. So now I'm gonna use watercolor runny edges. So you will have these runny edges if you press harder and you see it especially from one side. Well, great, and I want to create a new layer. So the middle of our dragon fruit, I actually gonna separate that because later I want to use other paintings, other colors. So it's pretty cool, and I want to duplicate this layer and I want to move it slightly here. Like that. After that, I'll show you one magic trick that I'm gonna use. I will go and grab liquify and just move it slightly to the shapes that I need. Duplicate. After use one, increase the size. Same duplicate, and the rest I'll just erase and blend the edges. As a blender for now, I'm using BooPerfect Edger. Now I'm gonna use BooPerfect Edger as a brush, not as a blender. It looks like our previous brush, but this one is sharp and the edges are slightly different. And it's not soft from one side, you see, it's edgy from two sides. And here inside I want to use BooPerfect Color Edgy. You see, it's so in watercolor style. And for this kind of painting, I'm gonna change the brush because I want to try all of them, mostly all of them. And I will go and grab BooPerfect Colors. Okay, great. Let's go and grab runny edges again. Perfect edger. So that's on a new layer. Now our next step is we need to create one more layer. And I will go and grab Blue Thin Ink Watercolor, and I want to add some dots to our dragon fruit. Now I want to duplicate it and move it to another one. Now guys, I want to give some sharp edges to our painting. I will return to this layer, and after I will go to the selection tool, press automatic. And I selected our dragon fruits. After that feather, maybe 4%, hue, saturation, brightness layer. Lower the brightness. You might see it here, the edges, they becoming darker. Let's move to the next part, and I already merged together all layers, so now it's just one solid layer without background, and I need this picture as a reference picture. Probably I don't need our palette for now. So our next step is I'm gonna add some sharp edges, and for that I will go and grab Perfect Edger. And you can go and grab blending brush and blend it nicely. Now I want to add some highlights and shades. Feather. I will go and grab Blue Thin Ink Watercolor. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my today's tutorial. Now you know how to paint prunes, and now you saw my new watercolor set. So if you enjoyed my today's tutorial, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other next time. Bye bye.